What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get unlimited mobile data from your cell phone. Now, first prerequisite is that you must have an Android. If you have an iPhone, throw it out the window, go get yourself an Android. If you're thinking to yourself those things are garbage, or maybe you're thinking to yourself those things are expensive, or maybe you're thinking to yourself you just like iPhones more, you're wrong, you're wrong, you're wrong. Go get yourself an Android. I'll even suggest you one. The TCL A30 is a wonderful phone. It's $200 brand new on Amazon, and it is an absolute beast. So, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into the tutorial. Go down to the link in the description. Go visit the PDA Net website, and you're going to be downloading this little program right here. You're also going to want to go into the Play Store and download it for your Android phone. So once again, you would go into your Play Store, you go up here, and you're going to search for PDA Net. And it's going to be right here, this PDA Net Plus. I'll try to leave a link for this as well. As you can see, I already own it, so I have the option to uninstall or open. I also did pay the $5 for the Pro version. I do definitely, suggest that you do that. It's a wonderful program. You pay $5 to make sure that it doesn't just shut off on you after a while. I think that the free version after, I don't know, let's say 100 megabytes or 500 megabytes, it turns off. You just have to go back in your phone and turn it back on. It's not like it limits you by the month. It's just at one time. You just have to go in and turn it on again. It's only like $5, even if it's only $10. Just pay the $5, okay? It is worth it, because what this is going to allow you to do is use your mobile data as hotspot through USB or Wi-Fi tethering. Okay, so in the same way as we download this onto the Android phone, we download it onto our computer by selecting open. An existing version of PDA is found on your PC. So I already have this installed. So you know how it goes. Just run the installer. Just run the installer. Okay. Once you have that installed, you go ahead and open it, and it will show up in your drop-down menu. You may see it at the bottom right of your computer. Mine's set up a little bit differently, so instead of mine being at the bottom right, mine's at the top right. So that's the only difference. Okay, so there's a little menu just like this down at the bottom right of your computer, and you're going to see the little PDA Net icon. You right click on that, and then you're going to have connect USB, connect Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi share, which is in beta. I don't use it. Maybe you could try it out. I'm not really sure what it does, but that's okay. And then we also have some settings: Bluetooth pairing, Wi-Fi pairing, auto connect on USB plug-in, which is probably a pretty cool feature. Block Microsoft connection, so this is going to let the computer not send any Microsoft signals to your phone. So if you're worried about your cellular carrier catching on and maybe getting mad at you, you can go ahead and select that. Okay, enabling this will prevent certain Windows features such as the App Store, OneDrive, or Windows Update from having internet access while PDA Net is connected. So it's basically going to block anything that might be able to signify to your carrier that you're actually doing this. Okay, so it does have some precautions there that you might want to use. And then throttle connection, so if you don't want it to slow down your phone too much and you would rather your computer be a little bit slower and your phone a little bit faster, you can do that as well. Okay, so how do we use it? Once we have that installed on our computer and on our cell phone, we are going to open up PDA Net on our phone, and then we can select USB tether or Wi-Fi direct hotspot. Now, it just so happens that this particular computer won't connect to the Wi-Fi. It's a little bit older, but that's okay. It just doesn't have the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi adapter, and which I could go on Amazon easily and buy that, and so could you. So that's the only reason that we can't do the Wi-Fi direct hotspot. So if you go on your computer and you select Wi-Fi direct hotspot, just like we just did, it's going to give the name of the network, it's going to give the password, it's going to give the proxy. Okay, now in order to use this, you can use this on other Android phones and on other computers, and every once in a while a device will let you connect to this Wi-Fi without actually having that app installed, and then you have to go into the proxy settings and all of that to get it working, which that's an entirely different video. But look for that. If I do end up making that video, I'm probably going to link that down in the description as well. Okay, so this is my phone. I just turned it on, and if we go up here to the Wi-Fi and we look, these are all the different Wi-Fis that we have near my house. But if we right-click and connect to Wi-Fi, so we right-click on the PDA Net icon and we select connect to Wi-Fi, it's going to start searching for what it thinks is the PDA Net Wi-Fis. On this particular computer, it isn't working. That's okay. We're simply going to close that, and we're going to uncheck Wi-Fi direct hotspot, and we're going to select USB tether. Now we're just going to go ahead real quick, and we're going to open up Google Chrome, and we're going to make sure that we can't actually connect. Right, so we need to connect to the internet. We are offline. We're going to close out of that, and we're going to select USB tether. Now, odds are my phone is going to disconnect from this little view here as soon as we click that, but that's okay. So, USB tether. Cool. Looks like we're still connected there. We're going to go up here to PDA Net, connect using USB. Down here at the right, connecting to your phone, and look at that, we're connected. So it does look like we're still working here. So you can see here, connected to Windows PC. If we open up Chrome and we go back to YouTube, we should see YouTube load up. Now, I don't really know what's going to pop up in my YouTube there, so I'd rather not share all that. Got a whole bunch of stuff that I'll be looking up on there, if I'm not gonna lie. No, it's really not that bad. We're just gonna go ahead and open up YouTube here, and look. So we see all sorts of this stuff. YouTube is definitely loading. If we go up here to PDA, we're gonna disconnect. We're gonna refresh, and nothing, because we disconnected, right? So I'm getting internet straight through my phone. So this is really helpful if you have mobile data, and let's say it's only 5 gigs or 10 gigs a month, but you use way more than that, like I tend to do. Then you can use PDA Net. You simply right-click, connect to USB, or connect to Wi-Fi if your computer supports that, and then you will have unlimited. So long as you have unlimited data on your phone, you will have unlimited hotspot. Looks good to me. So, thank you for watching this video, guys. If it was helpful, please leave a like. Okay, I spent a lot of time on these videos. I'm sorry, that's kind of a lie. I'm just trying to help you guys out. So leave me a like if you thought it was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.